Eco-friendly RV tips: how to camp responsibly and sustainably in an era where the whispers of Mother Nature are becoming increasingly urgent. The call to tread lightly and camp responsibly has never been more paramount. For the modern RVer, the allure of the open road and the embrace of the wild come with a profound responsibility to protect and preserve the very environments we seek to explore. Embarking on an eco-friendly RV journey is not just a choice but a pledge to future generations of adventurers. Let's embark on a journey through the heart of sustainable RVing, where every mile traveled and every campsite claimed is a testament to our commitment to the earth. Embrace solar power. The sun is your fuel. The sun's generous rays provide an abundant source of clean energy. Equipping your RV with solar panels not only reduces your reliance on fossil fuels, but also ensures a whisper-quiet power supply that keeps you connected even in the remotest of boondocks. The initial investment pales in comparison to the freedom it affords and the peace of mind that comes with minimizing your carbon footprint. Water wisdom. Conserve every drop. Water is the lifeblood of the wilderness, a precious commodity that demands our utmost respect and conservation. Employ water-saving tactics such as taking shorter showers, using a water-efficient showerhead, and fixing leaks promptly. Consider using biodegradable soaps and detergents to ensure that your grey water is as harmless as possible, allowing Mother Nature to breathe a little easier. Waste not, want not. The art of recycling and composting. The mantra of "leave no trace" is a golden rule in the RV community. Implement a robust recycling system within your RV to ensure that everything that can be recycled is recycled. Embrace composting for organic waste. It's a small step for an RVer but a giant leap for campground sustainability. By reducing landfill contributions, you're actively participating in the preservation of the natural beauty that calls us to the wild. Eco-driving. The path to efficiency. The journey matters as much as the destination. Adopt eco-driving practices to enhance fuel efficiency and reduce emissions. This includes maintaining a steady speed, ensuring your RV is well maintained, and avoiding unnecessary idling. The smoother your ride, the lighter your touch on the Earth's delicate canvas. Sustainable gear. Equip responsibly. From solar-powered lanterns to eco-friendly camping furniture, the choices you make in your RV gear can significantly impact your ecological footprint. Opt for products made from sustainable materials, and support brands committed to environmental stewardship. Every item in your RV should echo your commitment to the planet. Mindful menu. Eat green, camp green. The road to eco-friendly RVing is paved with mindful eating choices. Embrace local, seasonal foods to reduce the carbon footprint associated with transportation. Consider plant-based meals, which are not only kinder to the planet but also promise a cornucopia of health benefits. Cooking with local ingredients isn't just an eco-friendly choice. It's a culinary adventure that connects you to the soul of the places you visit. Digital detox. Reduce and reuse. In an age dominated by digital devices, consider a digital detox while on the road. Not only does this reduce energy consumption, but it also reconnects you with the natural world, allowing you to fully immerse in the beauty and serenity of your surroundings. For essential devices, invest in energy-efficient models and utilize solar chargers to keep them powered. Eco-friendly maintenance. A greener machine. Regular maintenance of your RV is crucial not just for longevity but also for environmental efficiency. A well-tuned engine, properly inflated tires, and streamlined aerodynamics can significantly enhance fuel efficiency, reducing your ecological footprint. Use eco-friendly cleaning products for your RV, ensuring that your maintenance routine is in harmony with your environmental ethos. Stay informed. Knowledge is power. The landscape of eco-friendly RVing is ever evolving, with new technologies and practices emerging regularly. Stay informed about the latest in sustainable RVing, from eco-friendly campgrounds to cutting-edge green technologies. Knowledge empowers you to make informed decisions that align with your commitment to the environment. Community engagement. Share the green dream. The journey towards sustainable RVing is a communal endeavor. Engage with the RV community to share tips, experiences, and eco-friendly practices. By fostering a culture of sustainability within the community, you amplify the impact of your efforts, creating a collective force for good that reverberates across campgrounds and beyond. The road less traveled eco-friendly RVing is more than a series of practices. It's a philosophy, a way of life that intertwines deeply with the very essence of adventure. It's about forging a bond with the earth that's based on respect, stewardship, and an unwavering commitment to preservation. As you navigate the vast, open roads and seek solace in the embrace of nature, remember that the greatest adventures are those that honor the world around us. So, as the sun dips below the horizon and the stars begin their nightly dance, let the echo of your eco-conscious journey be a beacon for fellow travelers. In the symphony of the wild, your eco-friendly practices are a melody that harmonizes with the whisper of the wind, the murmur of the streams, and the silent song of the earth. Here's to the journey ahead, a path paved with intention, respect, and a deep-seated love for the untamed world that calls us to roam.